If a company needs money, why don't they just go straight to their bank? Great question on the surface. It seems straightforward. Banks lend money, companies borrow money. Simple, right? In reality, especially in the middle market, it is rarely that clean. So here's the first reason. Most banks have really strict lending criteria and clear concentration limits. Middle market companies, especially fast growing ones, eventually they'll hit those limits. Local banks might love the relationship, but the size, the timing, the risk profile, the company's ask, it just doesn't fit the box. Doesn't mean they want to break the relationship. It's just not right at that right time. The second reason, communication. Companies are really good at running their business. They're really good at being companies. They're not always good at presenting their business to a lender. I've seen plenty of great companies with solid cash flow. They have really strong management. They just can't clearly articulate their story or financial model to a lender. And then the third thing is just timing. When companies need capital, they typically need it pretty quick. If they try to raise capital without experienced guidance, it can turn into chaos real fast. They can lose valuable weeks or months just fumbling around. The lenders get frustrated, the borrowers get frustrated, and then the deals stall. Everything falls apart. The CEO's wife or husband leaves them. The kids have to be taken out of private school and sent to a group home. The house burns down. And ultimately, everything descends into chaos and no one survives. Now, obviously, that's not exactly what happens in every situation, but you get the gist. Timing is very important. Finally, preparation matters. It matters a lot. When a deal shows up at your desk and it's ready, model's built, the ask is clear, the data room is organized, somebody put significant effort into it beforehand, that's what an investment bank or a good investment bank is going to put together and do for these companies. So next, we will talk about exactly who these companies are and why they're going to look to an investment bank for help.